So hello and welcome everyone. My name is Jadal Sanya and in this video we are going to solve the problem of the day, that is count linked list node. The question is pretty basic. So let me just give you an idea what the question is trying to say. So the question is trying to say that in a given linked list you are supposed to count how many nodes are present. So in the example 1 which we can see over here, there are 5 nodes. So you're supposed to return the count as 5 because there are 5 nodes. So how will we do that? So now let's see a try run on one of the test cases. So here, let's imagine that this is the linked list that will be given to us. And this is the head. One is the head, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So what I can do, I can keep a count variable that will count the number of nodes. And let's initialize this variable with, let's say 0. Now, I need an iterator pointer that is called current. It will start the iteration from head. So now what I will do, I can see that one node has been encountered, that is current. So I'll increase my counter by 1. And then I will move this current pointer by 1 step ahead. So now I have encountered one more node, so I'll increment my count variable. Then I will move this current pointer forward. Again one node, I'll increment this counter. Then I will again move forward. I can see one more node has been encountered, so I'll again increment the counter. And then again I will move this pointer forward. I can see one more node has been encountered. So now I can see the count is saying 5. And when I move this current pointer forward, it will encounter a null node. So this means basically you have reached the end of the linked list. So whatever is the count will become the output of the given test case. So here the output comes out to be 5. So now we need one pointer to iterate and another pointer to count the number of nodes. So let's create one variable. I'll be coding in Java. So integer count equals to 0 and let's say node current equals to, let's say head. And let's say while my current does not become null, what I will do, I will increment my count and I will move this current pointer by 1 step ahead. Okay, and then at the end you're supposed to return the count over here. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Now let's say to see any compilation errors are there or not. Okay, so executing perfectly fine. Now let's click on the submit button and we can see that the problem has been successfully submitted. So if you really enjoyed the video solution, do hit the like button and share down your approaches in the comment section below. So that was it for in this video. I hope you are enjoying the problem of the day provided by Geeks for Geeks. So till then, keep coding. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you for watching.